It's curly girl time, so let's get this puff going. First, we are going to use this Mizani True Textures shampoo. All right, we're getting all squeaky clean. Next, we are going in with Mizani True Textures conditioner, and this conditioner is thick. Okay, honey, it's thick, and it really coats the hair so nicely. We're back. We're freshly washed, baby. And we are going to hydrate. We're going to hydrate with this Mizani 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil. It's one of my faves right now. And what we're going to do, we are going to soak it in. We're going to get all these curls hydrated with this beautiful oil that'll help it sleek up when it dries. Next, we are going in with the same oil, but for the skin. You guys, I love how this oil can also be used for the skin. I love to be glistening all through the summer. So I'm so excited that this has two uses. I love a 2-for-1. Next, we're going in with the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. This is going to moisturize our curls, and we are going to get this all in our head. As you can see, it is so much easier for me to go and put my fingers through my curls now with that nourishing oil. We're back, and look at these edges, honey. We are ready for our final step, defining these curls. We are going in with the Mizani True Textures Coil Gel. And what we are doing, as you can see, I'm taking pieces and I'm really getting this gel in between these strands to make sure that we define these curls. I really love this gel because it's medium hold and it does not have any buildup, which is fabulous. Look at us, y'all. We're done. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.